everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that can seem super intimidating, but is actually a game changer for your future: investing. You might be thinking, isn't that for rich people in suits? Absolutely not. Investing is for everyone, and the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. So, what even is investing? Simply put, it's making your money work for you. Instead of just letting your cash sit in a savings account where it barely grows, investing gives it the potential to grow much, much faster. Think of it like planting a money tree. You start with a small seed, your initial investment, and over time, with a little care and patience, it can grow into a big, strong tree that provides you with financial shade for years to come. Now, you might be worried about the risks. And yes, all investing involves some level of risk, but the key is to understand it and manage it. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your money across different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and maybe even real estate, you reduce the impact if one of them doesn't perform well. For beginners, a great place to start could be with index funds, or ETFs. These are like investment bundles that automatically diversify your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies. It's a simple, low-cost way to get started without having to become a stock-picking genius overnight. The most important thing to remember is the power of compound interest. It's what Albert Einstein supposedly called the eighth wonder of the world. It's when your investment earnings start generating their own earnings. This is why starting early is so crucial. Even small, regular contributions can grow into a massive amount over decades. Time is your greatest asset. Don't let fear hold you back. Start small, educate yourself, and be consistent. There are tons of amazing apps and platforms that make it easier than ever to begin with just a few dollars. Your future self will thank you for it. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.